Reggie, we're clear on this. You got it? Good.
In this life you must be a warrior. You gotta fight for yourself, be the leader of your own story, because you're the main character. Yeah, you gotta learn from your mistakes. Yeah, this is not a mixtape. Don't quit, yeah. You don't know when you're gonna get there. Nobody knows their future. It's a blessing to be alive. You gotta run, you gotta run, you gotta run. Stay relevant, elevate, motivate, be patient. Everything takes time, you will shine for sure. Of course, you the real deal. Be the leader, be the boss, you the king. Yeah, you gotta run, you gotta run, run, run. You gotta run, you gotta run, you gotta run, run, run.